Let me show you the magic of hiding notch with just a tap. Just open the shortcut called Better Notch. Now it will ask you to select the wallpaper you want. Just proceed as shown here. Now you get two options to choose from. You can save whichever you feel is decent. We choose to save the first option. Now go to the settings, wallpaper, and select the wallpaper that we've just exported. As you can see here, you get rid of the notch with just a tap. Just open the shortcut called Better Notch. Tap on Run shortcut, you get rid of the notch with just a tap. I hope you liked this trick. If you did, please leave a like, comment below your thoughts, subscribe to our channel. Until the next video, stay rad.